Greetings everybody, this is Ben Beecher here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Please subscribe to our page and like this video so you can keep up on all of our current inventory. Today I'll be taking you through the 2019 Harris 270 Grand Mariner. So take a look at this boat here. You can see it is very sharp with the black, sapphire black color and midnight blue accents. This also has the black package, meaning that all of the rails here have been powder coated black. This boat also features the lighting package, which is under rub rail lights, underwater lights, as well as cup holder lights. Take a walk around the back of the boat here. See a nice 350 horsepower outboard, power you through the rough waters out there, just for a day of cruising on the lake or any water sports activity you want to throw at this 350 will handle. The back of the boat here, you'll see your plug-in for your battery charger. You can charge up your batteries when you're away from the boat. You see the speakers behind the grill here, so if you're out coving you can turn up the speakers in the back and listen to the music out the back of the boat, independently zoned from the speakers inside of the boat. So take a walk around back here. There's a ski pylon that goes around the motor, and you have a power ladder. Just push the button here and the ladder will automatically deploy for you. Push the other one and bring it right back up. If you climb into the back of the boat here, you see a nice Desert Camel pillow top interior along with the weave flooring. Looks really sharp, easy to clean, and stays cool. Plenty of storage underneath all of your seats and double hinge seats for durability. Back here you have plenty of cup holders, extra stereo control, remote stereo control, and 12 volt and USB hookups. Notice as we walk into the boat, the Delta tower with built-in bimini. This tower does fold down for storage purposes if needed. As we walk into the boat here, you notice the nice long sectionals here, plenty of storage underneath all of the seats. And once again, all of these double hinged for durability. Come over to the helm. See, we do have an elevated helm here. Upgraded steering wheel. You have your SIMRAD, which is you can use as a digital dash, your Mercury systems, or you can use it as a depth finder and GPS. You can see the upgraded JL Audio stereo there. Digital throttle, as well as plenty of storage for your captain up here. As we walk forward, one of the nice things about the 270 Grand Mariner, we have doors on either side of the boat. So it doesn't matter which side of the dock you park on, you can exit either side of the boat. Have in-floor storage, and once again, some very nice loungers in the front with Desert Camel pillow top with the custom stitching. Looks very sharp. Front gate, so you can walk right on out, the front or the back of the boat. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher. If you have any questions on this boat or any others, please contact us at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks, and have a great day.